I'll be showing you something extremely shocking today. The newly built ROB in Kamti is a horrific failed project. A portion of a newly constructed flyover has already caved in, all thanks to the heavy rain. But let's be honest, if a road gives way this easily, was it ever built to last? The worst part, this structure isn't some decades old. Before it could even be inaugurated, it collapsed. Now what's funnier over here is that within almost 12 hours, they decided to fix this particular patch of the entire road as soon as the media started reporting about it. It's like throwing a glass plate on the floor, picking up the broken pieces, fixing it by tape, and then saying sorry to it. It has been constructed by a special projects division of the PWD department, and around 65 crores were allotted for this particular project. Civil work worth 38 crores were backed by a private firm called Abhi Engineering. And this is the result. No accountability, no explanation, just complete and pure silence. A railway overbridge is actually meant to ease the congestion and improve connectivity. Instead, somehow it has become a symbol of what's broken in our system: transparency and no construction ethics. The main question over here is that who takes responsibility now? Will the contractor be blacklisted? Will the department face any kind of scrutiny, or will it just be another case brushed under the cement carpet? This isn't a construction flaw, it's a governance failure, and until accountability is built into our foundations, even the strongest and the newest of the roads will keep collapsing. What do you have to say about this? Let me know in the comments below. This is Drishti Sharma for the Lokmat Times.